Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future tech videos. Now, here's a question. Every day, millions of people upload photos, watch movies, play online games, and use AI tools. But have you ever wondered where all of that data actually lives? Is it floating somewhere in the sky? Not exactly. Today, we're going to explain cloud computing in just a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how it powers almost everything you do online. Let's get started. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Instead of buying expensive servers or storing everything on your own computer, you use resources that belong to a cloud provider. These resources include storage, processing power, databases, networking, and software. You simply connect through the internet whenever you need them. Think of it like electricity. You don't own a power station. You simply plug into the electrical grid and pay for what you use. Cloud computing works in a very similar way. Instead of owning powerful computers, you rent them whenever you need them. But where is the cloud? The cloud isn't actually in the sky. It's made up of huge data centers located all around the world. Each data center contains thousands of powerful servers running 24 hours a day. These servers store your files, process your requests, and deliver information back to your device in just seconds. Let's see how it works. Imagine you upload a photo to Google Drive. Your phone sends the photo through the internet. The request reaches the nearest cloud data center. The cloud stores several copies of your file on different servers. This protects your data if one server stops working. Later, when you open the same photo on another device, the cloud quickly finds it and sends it back to you. All of this usually happens in only a few seconds. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is scalability. Imagine you own a website. Normally, it gets 1,000 visitors every day. Then suddenly one of your videos goes viral. Now millions of people visit your website at the same time. If your website is running on a single computer, it could crash immediately. But in the cloud, extra servers are automatically added to handle the increased traffic. When the traffic goes back to normal, those extra servers are removed. This means businesses only pay for the computing power they actually use. Cloud computing comes in three main types. The first is infrastructure as a service, also called IaaS. Here, businesses rent virtual servers and storage while managing their own software. The second is platform as a service, or PaaS. Developers simply upload their applications, while the cloud provider manages the hardware and operating systems. The third is software as a service, or SaaS. This is the one most people use every day. Services like Gmail, Google Docs, Microsoft 365, Dropbox, Canva, and many others all run through the cloud. You simply open your browser and start working. No powerful computer is required. Cloud computing also has different deployment models. A public cloud is shared by many customers. A private cloud belongs to one organization. A hybrid cloud combines both, giving companies more flexibility and better control over sensitive data. So why has cloud computing become so popular? First, it saves money. Companies don't need to buy expensive hardware. Second, it's flexible. Employees can work from almost anywhere with an internet connection. Third, cloud providers constantly update their systems and improve security. Fourth, cloud services automatically back up important data, making recovery much easier if something goes wrong. Cloud computing also powers many of the services you use every single day. When you watch Netflix, cloud servers stream the video. When you play an online game, cloud servers connect players around the world. When you use AI tools, cloud computers perform billions of calculations in seconds. Even smart home devices rely on cloud computing to process commands and stay connected. Of course, cloud computing has some challenges. Without an internet connection, many cloud services become unavailable. Businesses also trust cloud providers to keep their information safe. That's why security technologies like encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication are so important. Looking ahead, cloud computing will become even more important. Artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, smart cities, robotics, and the Internet of Things all depend on powerful cloud infrastructure. As technology continues to improve, the cloud will become faster, smarter, and even more efficient. So the next time you upload a photo, stream a movie, save a document, or chat with an AI assistant, remember that thousands of servers inside massive data centers are working together to make it happen. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment telling us which technology you'd like to see explained next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.